Hi folks, this is Raj, founder of Carigaar. I'm back again with some news and updates. We have launched our local news channel for small business owners. Now working on it to make it better. It will help small business owners to express their thoughts, their emotions and their feelings without any restriction. Many times we can't express our true feelings or emotions or thoughts as social media channels have community guidelines and many restrictions. But don't worry anymore, local is there for you now where you can express anything about your business. Also, you can promote, launch new products, showcase your skills, present offers, and many more. Local will be a complete news page for small business owners. Probably in the long run, we may release an app for the local. Time will tell, but for now, focus is to reach as many businesses as possible and connect them in our daily news reporting. Also, I thought of discussing more about local. Our first newspaper is coming out this week. Still new to news reporting, many things to learn, or learning many things day by day. Collecting, gathering, and presenting. That's the key for news reporting. We are aiming to make marketing look easy and super affordable for small business owners so that they don't waste money on social media sponsored ads, which for small business owners is just waste of money. I have talked with many small business owners in the recent past, never heard anyone benefiting from ads, especially from social media. Big reason, money spent on ads are of small amount, so the reach has limitation, impacting the overall sponsored ads. It's a trick of social media companies, like for absorbing money from small business owners. Supporting our local business is very important for our local economic growth. Also, we don't want to forget local business that contribute most for our community. And that's why Carigaar app goal is growth of small business owners. We invite everyone to join us and help our local businesses to grow. Let's support the small business owners. This is our today's story. Again, next week we'll be back with some more updates and more news. Thanks to everyone. Have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you.